Those were just my trimmed green beans. Yummy. Next, I'm coming in with my whipped cream cheese, and this is the 12-ounce container. We're gonna go ahead and get that whole container right inside our 13 by 9 with our green beans. Now you can use fresh, frozen, or canned green beans, whatever you prefer. And that was, a pan full amount of green beans. Next, I'm coming in with my sour cream, and this is just 8 ounces of sour cream. Yummy. This is kind of a take on a green bean casserole, but it's gonna be extra delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and empty out all 8 ounces of that. It's okay if there's a little liquid on top, that's natural. Now I'm gonna come in with my chopped bacon, and we're gonna add a generous amount to our pan, about half of this bag. Honey wants some bacon. Now it's time to season. I have some sea salt. Make sure generously seasoned. Don't worry, we will mix everything together. We want some black pepper. And if you don't like any of these seasonings, you can skip them, but I'm just doing my classic favorites. Some onion powder. You'll see me using all these every savory dish. All right, and then lastly, some garlic powder. Yummy, so delicious, so easy, and just a classic.
This is looking phenomenal.
Oh yeah, we're gonna bring back in our spatula, and it's time to get everything mixed together. Now, I don't think this would mix any easier in a bowl, but if you guys have any suggestions, let me know, because those green beans are stiff. So it's kind of hard to get them all blended together, but we're gonna do our best. All right, I just flattened this now that it's all fully mixed. And now for my secret ingredient, we have some Bob Evans mashed potatoes. And I gotta tell you, this was way cheaper at Walmart than it was at my local grocery store. We got this family size for only $4.50. Isn't that insane?
That's crazy. That's a lot of mashed potatoes.
All right, let's get this. Oh, right on top.
Perfect.
We're gonna spread this so that we have a layer of mashed potatoes on our green bean casserole. Talk about a Thanksgiving hit. Okay, let's use this whole family size. This is a big pan, so we wanna make sure to utilize all of those mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness, those mashed potatoes smell so good. I did heat them up just slightly, not all the way, just like about 1 minute in the microwave before we started spreading it, just so they'd be easier to spread and just quicker to get on those green beans. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so good?
Yeah, Bob Evans mashed potatoes are a gift from God.
Oh yeah, and obviously you can make homemade mashed potatoes, but that takes, a couple hours. So I just wanted to make this super easy and convenient for you guys, just so that you guys have some inspiration for Thanksgiving Day.
And it's affordable.
Yeah, exactly, $4.50 for a family size. Doesn't get any better than that.
That's for sure. My favorite thing.
Yeah, we have here Colby Jack, the best cheese in the world. And we're gonna go ahead and spread that right on top of our mashed potatoes. It's kind of like a shepherd pie green bean casserole with those mashed potatoes on top. Ooh, honey wants some cheese, too bad.
She loves cheese, like more than she likes me.
Yeah, she would trade us for a shred of cheese.
A whole bag of cheese, yeah.
No, just a shred. Look at her, she loves it.
Where is she?
She's right there.
Couldn't see her.
All right, we're almost done. I think I'm gonna use about 3/4 of this bag. Yummy, that looks so good. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for 50 minutes. All right, you guys, look at that.
Whoa.
Doesn't it look amazing?
It smells and looks fantastic.
All right, I got my bowl and my fork. It's time to scoop it out. I know my singing annoys you guys, but it makes me happy. So
Makes me happy.
oh,
Oh, yeah.
ooh. All right, those mashed potatoes really just fall apart when you cook them.
But they taste delicious.
Yeah. Okay, it's time to give it. I'm gonna do mashed potatoes.